Hello everyone, this is my presentation. And this is my presentation structure. So I will first give a brief introduction to my simulation webpage, including its topic and the teaching objective. And then I will explain how it achieves its pedagogical purpose based on the 5E pedagogical model. And finally, I will make my conclusion. So my webpage is designed to teach primary and secondary school students the scientific knowledge within the solar system immersively and interactively. So basically, my target audience is primary and secondary school students, and the teaching content is related to scientific knowledge within the solar system. And it also provides various simulation activities, including 3D models from NASA, self-designed VR space using Didactic EDU, and GeoGebra as well as PHET are also involved. So the design principle of my webpage is 5E pedagogical model, which includes engagement, exploration, explanation, elaboration, and finally evaluation. So let me walk through one by one. The first is engagement. So my webpage is designed to try to engage with the learners through motivational words to stimulate their learning desire at the beginning. So as you can see here in my homepage, so I reserve a block called message from your developer. So in which I try to use different kind of motivational words to engage with the students at first. And second is exploration. So students are provided with various simulation activities to support their active and constructive self-exploration. So this is the VR space, and this is the PHET simulation activity. And also, this is a 3D model provided by NASA. So students can just click and drag to rotate the Mercury to interact with this activity. And the third is explanation. So instead of just passively receiving the knowledge, the students can interact with the simulation activities. So for example, here, the students can answer the MC questions provided by the activity, and they can also receive immediate feedback like whether their choice is true or false for their knowledge consolidation. And for elaboration, so actually all the activities embedded in my webpage is not only just to teach students the knowledge they already know, they also encourage students to develop their new skills and reinforce their new understanding based on their previous knowledge. And finally, for evaluation, so students will be assessed to test their understanding and mastery of the knowledge in the end. So as you can see here, so after experiencing all the simulation activities, the students can take the solar system quiz to test their understanding, whether their understanding is true or false. Yeah, so in conclusion, the STEM-based simulation website teaches students scientific knowledge about our solar system through different kind of simulation activities, including but not limited to PHET, 3D models from NASA, and the VR space. And the teaching objective or the educational value of my platform is conveyed theoretically using the 5E model. So now I know that just reading the PowerPoint slides is not intuitive enough. So now let me walk you through my webpage. So as you can see from the top hand banner, so my webpage has 6 different blocks. And this is the homepage. Yeah, this part I have mentioned. So just try to engage with the students at the very beginning. And here I directly tell the students what the platform is designed for, which is the teaching objective, including 2 bullet points to let students know what will be covered in this web page. Yeah, these pictures is used to attract students' attention. And this is the knowledge review part. So I will introduce some knowledge about our solar system, like the basic components and also the basic properties of the planets and the sun. So yeah, here you can see that for each planet, I prepare a 3D model for them to try to enhance their knowledge. And this is actually provided by NASA. Yeah, the same for other planets. And at the bottom, I also prepare different kind of videos for students to further enhance their knowledge. And this is simulation activity 1, PHET, where I prepare 3 PHET activities for students' self-exploration. And this is the second simulation activity. Yeah, students can just click this button and then they can do their self-exploration, which is also very interesting and effective in enhancing students' knowledge. And this is the third simulation activity. So I use GeoGebra to create a solar system. You see here. Yeah, this is the whole picture. And also the 3D model from the NASA. Yeah, and finally, after experiencing all the simulation activities, the students can take the quiz to test their knowledge. And also they can drop down any feedback on this platform using the Google Sheets to further enhance the construction of the web page. Yeah, so that's all my presentation, and hope you enjoy it, and thanks for listening.